It's relatively easy to design software that feels intuitive, allowing users to learn through simple exploration without manuals or training. The real challenge is maintaining that ease of use while delivering the depth required to solve complex problems. In predictive maintenance, identifying machines with fault conditions and managing those issues is only the starting point, because machine failure is rarely straightforward. Before investing $50,000 in rebuilding a motor, you need confidence that the root cause is the motor itself and not other factors like foundation issues or poor power quality. KCF's SMARTdiagnostics software combines intuitive design with powerful analytical depth. Users can assign follow-up tasks like infrared scans or foundation inspections and execute them directly through a mobile app. Data plots can be easily annotated with key observations and added to fault cases, and users can move seamlessly from a fault case to supporting information like sensor status and machine history. SMARTdiagnostics also enables advanced analysis of time series and frequency spectrum data with simple multi-selection and filtering for comparing similar machines and analyzing trends. When action is required, work orders with detailed procedures can be shared directly to any CMMS. When you choose SMARTdiagnostics, you're choosing the most powerful and intuitive predictive maintenance software on the market.